Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, access Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Files. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose Continue, click on Allow and tap on the search bar next to allow access to all files. After that, you need to go back, choose Clean at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. After that, click on Clear and wait. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!